two arrays. One array is of vector of strings, as we can see over here, and the other array is a vector of numbers. Now each pair, right? So the indexes make a pair, in the sense the index 0 of both is one entity, index 1 of both is one entity. So how about we just group them, and then it states that the heights are given in the second array, and we need to arrange the names corresponding to those heights, and in the order of their heights. So the highest height comes first and the lowest height comes last, as it is a descending order. Now it's a fairly simple problem. Why map? Because we could have chosen another data structure also and then sorted it, but map is a self-sorted or balanced binary tree it maintains inside, not a binary tree, AVL tree, or some red black tree it follows. I am not I have to again revisit it, but revisit internal structure of map. Internal map, yeah, this I'll do later, but yeah, it is some sort of balanced data structure, balanced sorted data structure, which is self-sorted. We don't need to care about sorting now. So what we need to do is we just need to put the pairs, and then based on these values we need to sort it. The heights, based on the heights we need to sort it. Now ideally what happens is, if we keep the heights in the first part, right, so in a map it will by default, it is a ascending order, and we cannot have a comparator function that does it. We'll have to use MultiMap, or else later on a different comparator function, but without a comparator function also we can complete the answer. Now what we can do over here is, what I did not get in mind, first what I did was, we'll just look into the answer. Make a map, a self-sorted data structure, populate it based on heights as the key. It will be in ascending order now, sorted ascending order of heights with their respective names. Now while populating, I just need to make sure that I populated backwards, because ascending order, from here to here ascending means I'm just making from here to here descending, right? So the way I populate these values from the map is main. This I did not get in the without reading the tutorial, and in tutorial there are also many of the other things, so revisiting is required for those. I did not take a look at it. So one was the merge sort, and the second one was quick sort. So whenever I'll see this video, I'll just make sure that I revisit this. So yeah, so descending order. So ideally what I did was, right, I took all the maps and then I started entering into the array from front to last, and then I did a reverse of that array, so that to get my descending. But directly what we can do is, we can start filling from backwards, right? So the Mary will come over here because they had the highest height. So yeah, that's about it. This was just one point that I could have done better, and also this revisiting is required of the maps internals. Merge sort and quick sort is required to be visited. Both are divide by conquer, that is what I know. And the internal workings, I know the internal workings, but if I am set to code it, I won't be able to do it like in that quick amount of time. So yeah, that's about it.